Every data science model run on maths, and there are 5 foundational topics, and connection between them makes you a good data scientist. And I will show you how to fit them together. It starts with linear algebra, the study of linear equations that draw a straight line. ML models draw and predict that straight line to distinguish between two classes of data. To draw that line, you need coordinate geometry, which give coordinate x and y to every data point on a plane. Machine learning model measures distance between two data points using the distance formula from the coordinate geometry. A point has no dimension, a line is one dimensional, plane is two dimensional, and in machine learning, you need beyond two dimensional, that is three dimensional, and it becomes a hyperplane. In hyperplane, single line don't work. You need SVM models to separate the data. Matrices organize all data in row and columns. Your data set in pandas is literally a matrix with m number of rows and n number of columns. And every machine learning model, neural network, and deep learning model learns by matrices only. Finally, calculus, specifically derivatives. A derivatives tell you the rate of change, the slope of curve at any point. In machine learning, gradient descent uses derivatives to find the minimum of the loss function, and that is how your model learns. Every training step is calculus. So here is the chain. Linear algebra defines the boundary. Coordinate geometry helps in placing the data. Planes extend data to higher dimensions. Matrices store and transform data in data frame format. Calculus helps in optimizing the model. 5 concepts lead to one complete system. I have posted articles on all these 5 on my website, and also I will share some resources to study these topics in detail in description box. Stay tuned for next data science article, probability and statistics. Thank you.